Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from, there we go, from EPHQ dot. Ooh, I did the left hand this time. Ooh, very cool. EPHQ. And welcome to another episode of Raw 365, where I get real, authentic, and at times weird. And today's episode is all about how to evoke emotions out of your subject when capturing their portrait or shooting their video. And there's one word, one word that will get you to get your client, your subject, your model, your bride, your groom, your whatever. One word that will get them to evoke emotions. One, relationships. You need to build a relationship with your client, with your subject, whoever is in front of your camera. Because if you don't, then it's just going to be kind of sterile. It's going to be kind of just like, well, you know, you did pictures. You didn't capture your client, their true essence. And the only way you can get to do that is quite literally getting inside their head, finding out what they like, what they don't like, what they do in their pastime, what are their hobbies, where do they work, where do they not work, what have they done, do they have any brothers, sisters, what are their blah, 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 blah. And you don't have to be phony and fake and a jerk about it, but really get to know your client, because that one word, building a relationship, will take you to the moon with your couple, with your subject, with your model, whoever. It really makes a big difference. And it will help you take fewer photos. You will spend less time photographing and less time filming your subject, because you're nailing it. It's firing along. And that's not something that happens overnight. That happens a lot of trial and error. I can definitely tell you, ground David, splat, many times in my career where I just completely missed the mark. So I want you to think about how you can build your relationship with your couple, because that is truly what is going to build your ability to have them evoke emotions in front of your camera. That's what works for me. Individual results may vary, but what works for you? Do you have anything in particular? Do you like just show up in a clown outfit, balloon animals? What do you guys do? Share downstairs in the kilt zone, baby. Woo! Share downstairs in the kilt zone, because I definitely am always game. I don't know everything. I'm just telling you what has worked for me over several decades and millions of pictures and millions of frames. So that's what's worked for me. But maybe you've got something that could maybe work for me too. So share, because sharing is caring, and I need your secrets. This is really uncomfortable on this couch. Kind of like my bum. Almost feel like Tom Green. My bum is on a couch. My bum is on a couch. And for those of you that were around back in the olden days, you know the song. If you don't, look up Tom Green, one of the OG comedians, YouTube, and all the other comedy stuff that's out there, and look up the Bum Bum song. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. Let's wrap it up. Oh, I didn't do the Esquire properly. So that's it, and this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ.EPHQ with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and weird. And if you're subscribing and you're following, totally appreciate it. Thank you so much. You know, if you're not, you should. That's all I'm gonna say. And like, comment, share, hit the bell for notifications on YouTube, ding dong. I don't have any ravens, so I'm not gonna send you a raven. I know I talked about it a lot before, but I'm not sending you a raven. You're just gonna have to just pull up your big girl and big boy britches and just find out. And until next time, stay caffeinated. Yeah. All right. I'll see you soon. Bye, guys. Surprise!